널 만나기 전 누군가를 위해 노래한 적 없어 길어지는 대화 속
Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I want to share about my groceries I just spoke from the grocery stores in Jakarta. And now we start to organize in our fridge. Once again, I want to say Happy New Year's for everyone. I hope this year is a very, very charming years where we can get our dreams, can reach our dreams, and once more I want to say Happy New Year 2024 for everyone, wherever you are. Rice paper, granola, Friskas for my cake. It's a paprika and also eggplant, tomatoes. It's a sugar, garlic butter, pasta bolognese, mustard, it's the first time for me to bought this one. It's a ingredient from Korea and I want to try to make it. Curry paste, chicken, cheese, edamame, of course sriracha sauce, Thousand Island, hoisin sauce, kimchi, avocado, apple, it's soy milk, it's a gyoza skins, and also I want to try to make mandu with this. It's a Chinese 5 spices. It's a hongyong ingredient. Miso, mayonnaise, sesame oil, and then cheese, mozzarella, and the last one is orange. I have to pay less than 1 million this stock, maybe for 4 or 3 months for the sauce and all of this. And let's go start to healthy life together with me. I'm really starving and I will make pasta bolognese. Itadakimasu. Thank you for support and watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video, and see you in next video. Bye bye.
찾아 헤매던 내 반쪽 I feel so free Oh my sweet baby 정민 방 안에서 울려 퍼지는 기타 들려주고 싶어 내 진심을 다 이미 알고 있어 너의 옆자리 주인은 나